G'day guys and girls, my name is Jamie Gray and welcome to another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. And you guys would be more than familiar with Warren & Brown and how tough and precise their equipment are. We've got a brand new range from them with these double locking pry bars. We're going to delve into these things in some real detail because they will change the way you go about your work on site every day. So if you've used a Jimmy bar before, you're going to love these double lock pry bars. The heads are all fully adjustable to 180 degrees, which allows you to get into some really cool areas that you just would never previously been able to get in before with a cat's claw or a Jimmy bar. So why don't we check out exactly how awesome these Warren & Brown double locking pry bars work. All right guys, so we've just nailed down this piece of pine. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 87s or 92s, got straight from the pads load in there. As you can see, this pine really isn't going anywhere. So first and foremost, we've got to get the right kind of leverage under there. Let's start at the end here. Give it a little tap under. There we go, that's starting to come up. Work our way along. All right, there we go. So there's our nails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nails, that came up pretty sweet. So here's the classic example of when the adjustable angle head on these things make this a perfect tool for awkward positions. So if I wanted to lift up this steel, get some leverage under it so we could get some blocks underneath it so people could pick it up. We got the concrete slab here, we've also got the pole here. There's no way that we could lever in from this end to be able to manipulate that at all. But by choosing the right angle, we can bring that right into say, yay. Now I can simply just come in, hook, 1 hand, 2 hand, very easily just lever that up. We can now put timber blocks under there and make life a hell of a lot easier for everyone to try and get their fingers underneath that and save any sort of dramas or accidents. It's going to add a lot of safety, flexibility, and yeah, just generally make a whole pile of different applications on site a hell of a lot easier. So guys and girls, you can see that we've got 4 of the different size ranges here from Warren & Brown, ranging from your really heavy duty tasks that involve some real muscle with this big boy, all the way through to your smaller options here, which is perfect for things like when you're putting in doors and window frames, you need to lever. A lot of the time, if you're putting in a door or you're hanging a door, you might use a chisel sitting on a bit of timber and then just use your foot to kind of get that perfect angle. Well, with one of these guys, you can nail it every time with consistency, and it's just going to make a pile of jobs on site a hell of a lot easier. So we're going to have to give Warren & Brown the big Tradie Tough Test seal of approval for producing some awesome goods with these double locking pry bars. So here we go. And for everybody at home, thanks so much for tuning in for another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. We hope you love these Warren & Brown bars. Next time you're in store, make sure you give them a good look because they're definitely worth having at least 1 or 2 in the car or in the bag at home. So make sure you stay safe and we'll catch you really soon.